Assalamualaikum. What's up, guys? I am come back after a long time. Today I am coming brick mill with my friend MD Shoel Rana. Hi Shoel Rana.
Hi.
Say hi. So we are going to uh, riverside. So we are walking, like the street is very uh, dirty. Children took some polythene. Hey,
Hi,
ভালো
কি
আছো?
অবস্থা?
Oh, how cute kids. Their smile. I saw a cow. Oh, nice. The cow. Oh, the brick mill is so big. Guys, I want to show you. Look, very big brick mill. Today weather is very nice, so we are very near at the brick mill. So I want to show you how to make bricks. So guys, here the people make bricks. Look guys, this is the very big brick mill. So we are walking. Actually the road is not perfect for walking because the road is very dirty, like অনেক ধুলাবালি আছে রাস্তায়. I enjoyed the nature, like both side are bricks, and ahead I can see some trees look very nice, like the green trees, shishigas. Wow, nice. So guys, finally we are very near at the river side. This is a small canal, so we are gonna to the river side. Look how beautiful view. I want to say you guys, today's the sky is very cloudy, so wow, the boys are playing cricket. Wow, we are coming here with my friend Shoel Rana. He is a very good person. He is a gentleman. He look very nice. He is a officer at Bangladesh Air Force. গাইস, এই লুকটা খুবই জোস, কোজ আমরা গ্রামে যখন বল খেলতাম তখন বলটা পানিতে পড়ে যেত, পানি থেকে উঠে বল খেলার মজাই আলাদা। সো ইয়া, মনে হচ্ছে যে সোনালি শৈশবে আমরা ফিরে আসছি। দুপুরে আসর পর খেলাধুলা, এটা খুবই মজার, একটা আনন্দদায়ক, কিন্তু আজকাল তো মোবাইলের জন্য সব কিছু হারিয়ে গিয়েছে। So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and comment. So guys, see you again. Bye bye.